Yo, it's your boy WhipAddict, man. We are about to pull up on my homie Juan, man. One of the day one WhipAddict supporters. We done shot his Chevelle. We done shot his Mercedes CLS. And we about to shoot his S Class Benz now. So, it is different. Color scheme. You go crazy on the color schemes. You ain't seen it before. But you're about to see it now. Stay tuned. Okay. S Class Benz with the kit. With the kitty. Alright, let's see if you in there. Alright, man, we got the boy Juan out here, man. Mr. Presidential CEO. Still taking bills and stuff out here. Somewhat
I mean,
selective.
showing work now.
Oh yeah, that's the way to go.
Yeah. But this right here, I'm finna turn this into a barbecue restaurant. This finna be a cigar lounge, finna build a patio right here.
Okay.
And then we'll just be doing the work in the back.
That makes sense then.
Yeah,
don't.
Up all this shit.
Right. Yeah, they'll be coming right on over here.
Well, I have me two sources of income.
For sure. Shit, 3 ain't it?
Yeah, three
right. 3 ain't alright, man. We got the Benz. My boy done kitted this thing. This all paint right here. The black and the blue. All paint. They'll be coming with them color schemes, man. Big capping. Stay away from the curbs, nigga.
I know.
Cause goddamn, boy, you tap that black, boy, it's gonna be.
It's over with.
Yeah, but they look great right now, though.
Goddamn skinny ass tires in the front.
Right. It look good, though. It's sitting right.
I think they're
255, 25. Okay, yeah, that's why. Was there any thought behind the color scheme? Like, did you do it for?
Believe it or not, I don't even know why I did it. I got it off of a certain car. I ain't gonna tell nobody. It's a certain car that I saw and I was like, damn, that color look hard.
That's cool. I was just wondering.
I'm gonna tell. Nah, I ain't gonna tell.
Nah, you good. Hey, it's whatever it was, it's on here, so it don't even matter.
Yeah.
No matter what I think, I still remain humble.